here we feature our Stratford grandfather clock, made by Howard Miller, made in the USA. This is part of our ambassador collection, which really gives you grand scale on a grandfather clock. A lot of great detailing within your wood. And as you can see, we've updated this clock to feature nickel detailing within your weight, pendulum, and dial. This is a triple chime, which allows you to play 3 different melodies of your choice: Westminster, St. Michael's, or Whittington. It also features a nighttime shutoff system.